Stale
It is
Go.
a gift voucher. Merry Christmas to me from Casey and Jalen. Matching what? Domino tattoos. What? What?
We want.
It's,
I put a picture.
You're getting a tattoo.
We're gonna get matching tattoos, me you and Jalen.
Hell's bells, I ain't getting no. All eternity.
It's just gonna be small.
A triple daughter. It's gonna have to be like, I'm done.
Just an outline.
Okay, so when we doing this?
Okay, Memaw, what are we about to do?
We are about to go get our tattoos, so we'll be tattoo mamas and a tattoo daddy over here.
How you feeling, Memaw?
I'm feeling just fine. I don't know why y'all think that I'm a wuss. I'm not. I don't care. Because Wesley's son-in-law is in the business, and he said, "Well, when you get it, go to him." And I'm like, "Well, I would, but it's not me. It's the kids doing this." And he's not open for the sun.
Oh, for me, yeah. Like right here? Is that what you're thinking?
Yeah. It ain't more wrinkly than it is. It's in my last. I never really wanted to do, but I've got kind of was talked into this, so.
It's tough. What do you think, Memaw?
Yeah, it was fine. What am I supposed to think?
Well, did
It
it
don't-
feel like you thought it would?
Huh?
Did it feel like you thought it would?
It really did. I mean, it really did. I thought I wouldn't want to have a ton of this done. But look, I look like a bad.
Oh yeah.
Let's see, Memaw. Whoa!
Oh, I'm just there for y'all's entertainment. That's what I live for.
Sure did.
I didn't realize that. Well, we can
Good to me.